hell, if we been honest, maybe even years, on how I want to be remembered. I feel like no one knows the real me, like the real Shy. Some days I don't know what I want to do or even what I want to wear, but I do know who I am, and you will too. I have story times for days that taught me so many life lessons, and ain't no telling what you'll see on a weekend vlog, child. Welcome to my channel. Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Shy, and I have a special guest with me today. Can you say your name, guest?
Kylie.
Sit up straight, come on. Straighten your back out. Act like a big girl in here. How old are you, Kylie?
12.
You're 12. No, you're not. She is 11. Okay, so first of all, hold on. I always have to shut that second door. But so today I got Kylie with me, y'all. I went to my mailbox. Well, I already knew this Sephora package came. Let's make a thumbnail. So I already knew this Sephora package came, and I was sitting on my bed and I was about to open it, and I was all like, wait, this will be a perfect video. Right? Okay. Kylie said something. She is not this shy in real life, y'all. She acting like she's shy or something, and like she really is like period and do all that stuff and be on TikTok and be dancing with her friends. Right? Right. Okay, so do the honors and open up the box for me. So put it up there so they can see. Whoa. 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 Let's see what we got in here. So y'all, let me tell you, I'm such a bargain shopper. I didn't realize I had so many points on Sephora. Why are you looking like that? On Sephora. So I realized I haven't bought no lip gloss in a long time. So I was all like, time to buy some. And I was going to buy it on Saks at first. I had two Dior lip glosses and in my cart. And guess how much they cost?
$80.
$97. So I went to Sephora and put the same two lip glosses in my cart in Sephora, and I got like 3 different free items, and I got, what else did I get? Yeah, I got like 3 different free items, and it only came up to $70 because I used a $10 off with Sephora too. So Sephora, I'll buy y'all any day. We'll fix that later. All right. So y'all, I decided to buy the Dior Lip Glow Oil in Raspberry and the Dior Lip Glow Oil in Rosewood. So let's see how we finna try these out. Ooh, you wanna? I got this little sample. You can have this sample if you want. It's lip gloss samples. I seen this little bottle, this little Versace bottle of cologne. It was free. I was gonna give it to my boyfriend. I didn't see no perfumes. You wanna smell this? Open it up for me. Don't rip the box. Got it? Okay, let's smell it. Let's see if Malcolm should wear this or not. Be careful with it. Show them the, show it to them. You know how they be doing the... Okay, period. Is it focusing? Focus, focus, focus. Okay. Alright, you gotta be careful. Just go like this. That's a nice smell for a man. Are you being honest? It smells a little like old man, but what you think?
It's alright.
Well, if Malcolm likes it, I love it. Alright, this is some Dior Sauvage. You can smell that. It's just a little, you know, a little simple. I know a lot of men wear that. At this point, it's kind of played out. That's really why I haven't bought my boyfriend on. Smell good? Yeah. You like that one better? No. This smells kind of stank too. But it smells, Dior Sauvage is usually good. Okay, so we're gonna try. Oh yeah, y'all, most importantly, so I got this for free. I'm trying. It's not working. It's focused on your face. Alright, y'all, I got this for free. If you cannot see it, it's Anastasia Crystal Lip Gloss. So, it's a whole lip gloss at that. Wow. Wanna put a dab on your finger? Hold up. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Oh, it smells good. It's Kylie. So we're gonna basically be trying these lip gloss on. And get the paper towel, grab a few paper towels because we're gonna be wiping our lip gloss on and off. Thank you. So, you can try this one. You need some more? Okay. It's just a clear gloss. Just a little clear gloss. Just a little clear gloss, y'all. You like the smell of it? You smell it? You like it? Talk to the people, Kylie. Stop acting like you. Alright, you let them know which one this is.
This is the Dior Lip Glow Oil, and it's raspberry.
Alright, show it to them. You know. I don't know why she acting. You can see the reflection of the camera. I don't know why she acting so shy. This Anastasia stuff is burning my lips. Your lips burning? You sometimes certain, you use this already? Sometimes certain lip glosses break my skin out. Ooh, period. Ooh, raspberry is cute, y'all. Let's see how this raspberry look. The raspberry. It got the little CD up here. If it focus. I know y'all can barely see it. Alright, so let's try on this one. It's like a mint flavor, huh? It looks cute on you, girl. Okay, show me your looks. You supposed to go. You supposed to. Alright, let's know what we got here.
The Dior Lip Oil Glow Rosewood.
Okay, cool. It's the same box, y'all. It's rosewood. This one was raspberry and raspberry. Okay, raspberry. And now we about to try the rosewood. Our look's gonna be okay. I think rosewood might be cute for real, for real. That might be cute. You like that one? I feel like they all look the same on camera. But this is cute. I like this. I like this one. I like this one. I like this one. It's so cute. How you feel? Which one was your favorite, Kylie? So we got the Anastasia one I got for free. And we have 2 Dior lip glosses. One is raspberry, and the one we have on now is, I hope y'all can see it on camera, probably not. Rosewood. So which one you like?
The raspberry.
You like the raspberry better? Why?
I don't know.
You don't even know how to open it. But you can save that when you want to put some stuff on. Alright. So that is my unboxing for the day. Thank you, Kylie, for doing this video with me. You were awesome. Awesome. Oh, my feet so ashy and dry. I just got out the shower, and y'all know, if you know me, you know I'm not a lotion girl sometimes, you know. When I go out, I put on lotion. But anywho, that's neither here or there, period. Okay. All right, you guys, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, and
subscribe.
And we'll see y'all on the next one.
Bye.
Whoa.